My name is Christine Kearns. I originally volunteered because I just retired and so I had the time. I saw an advert in our church newsletter that Christian Aid needed office volunteers. Sounded just the sort of thing I could do. So I thought I'd give it a try and I really enjoyed it. So I work with a nice crowd of people. I feel Christian Aid really appreciate the volunteers, so they're happy. Well, mainly on the computer. I maybe input stuff onto spreadsheets. I've helped out with the banking or updating all the records. Log in the names of support contacts and organisations and linking them, and if people order things from Christian Aid, put all that on. So we've got a complete record of what resources we're using.